Hello lockpickers. Today I have a little package. I literally just come home from work. I haven't been doing much picking because of work, and I can't wait to open this, so I need to do a little video. I've done a little trade with Tony Worrall, and I made him a pick, and he's got me some 3D printed stuff, so I thought I'd share it with you guys at the same time I get to see it. How cool is that? A cool little pinning tray, Ghostbusters, felt backed. That is wicked. I like that. Fantastic. And what else have we got in here? A sweet little pinning tray. That is so cool. That'll come in handy, especially when I start making challenge locks again. And come on, focus. It's like a, come on, there we go. 3D printed version of the goat wrench. That is so cool. Nice. Which is also handy because now I can use that as a template and make my own out of metal as well. So fantastic, thank you very much. And oh, this is for like a little jig for making your own tension wrenches out of wiper inserts. Don't know if we've got any kicking about here. Oh, I've got a little bit of one here. So yeah, that's cool. Be able to slide it in, bend it. Fantastic. That is so cool. A nifty little plug follower. And one more. A folding pinning tray. Ah, the Trekmaster 31. That is flipping brilliant. Always wanted one of these. So thank you, Tony. That is brilliant. I've a bit of a stressful day at work. Well, I'll say day. I've only been there for the morning shift. Got the evening shift to go back for. So yeah, this has definitely made it better. So once again, thank you so much to Tony for this little trade. Really appreciate that. And I promise I will be back here soon, hopefully in the next few weeks, and doing some picking. But for now, a bit busy. But yeah, hopefully see you all again real soon. Ciao for now.